Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace header and text in site styles. This is an essential skill for customizing your website's appearance and making it truly reflect your brand identity. Let's jump right in and explore all the options available to you. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website you want to edit. This will take you into the editor where all the customization magic happens. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu and click on Website. Under that option, you'll see Styles listed. Go ahead and click on Styles. This is your control center for the visual design of your entire site. Here you can change theme colors, fonts, colors, buttons, and forms. Everything that affects how your site looks and feels is accessible from this section. You'll also notice there's a miscellaneous option available. If you click on miscellaneous, you can edit animations, spacing, and image blocks. These are the fine-tuning options that help polish your site's overall appearance. But for now, let's focus on the main styling elements. Let's start by editing themes. Click on Themes and you'll see various theme options to choose from. Browse through them and select the one that best matches your vision. Each theme provides a different aesthetic foundation for your website. After selecting a theme, let's click on Fonts. This opens up a comprehensive set of editing options, including font packs, base size, headings, paragraph styles, buttons, miscellaneous, and assign style. Feel free to explore each of these sections and customize your fonts to match your brand. While you're in the font section, you can also click on your header. This gives you specific options to edit your header, including the site title, mobile site title, site navigation, and header button. These are crucial elements since your header is often the first thing visitors see. Now let's go back to Site Styles and edit colors. Click on Colors and you'll be able to choose a color, edit your palette, and modify the selection color theme. This is where you can ensure your color scheme is consistent throughout your entire website. Next up, we can edit the buttons. Click on Buttons in Site Styles, then click on All Button Packs. You'll see a wide variety of layout choices for your buttons. Select the style that complements your overall design and enhances user experience. Then let's move to Forms. Click on Forms and here you can edit the form fields, effects, selection options, fonts, color, and form spacing. This ensures that any contact forms or sign-up forms on your site match your design perfectly. Finally, let's revisit Miscellaneous. Click on Miscellaneous and you can fine-tune the animations, spacing, and image blocks. These finishing touches help create a cohesive, professional-looking website that engages your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Squarespace header and text through Site Styles, giving your website a unique and polished look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.